Did you know there is an eighth continent on Earth? It's called Zealandia, though you can only access a small fraction of it because 94% of it is underwater. The tale of its discovery is as fascinating as the continent itself. The history of Zealandia's discovery dates back to the 17th century, when Abel Tasman, a Dutch merchant and navigator, first sought out to find the great southern continent in 1642, though he did not manage to find it. It wasn't until 2017 that geoscientists realized a hidden continent had always been there. On a Tuesday, an international team of geoscientists and seismologists published an updated map of Zealandia in the Tectonics Journal. By examining data from rock samples dug up from the ocean floor, they were able to infer its shape and structure. Studying geological patterns in Western Antarctica led them to this conclusion. They suggested the possibility of a subduction zone near the Campbell Plateau off the west coast of New Zealand. A subduction occurs when an oceanic plate collides with a continental plate and slips underneath it. The researchers further enhanced the existing maps of Zealandia by studying collections of rock and sediment samples from the ocean floor. While most of the samples came from drilling sites and island shores, geoscientists from the New Zealand Crown Research Institute, GNS Science, acknowledged that despite most of the new continent being underwater, a lot still remains to be clarified. They said, "It's a process that we still don't fully understand." According to a report by BBC, Zealandia spans over 189,000 square miles. The group of geoscientists came into discussion in 2017 when they declared the existence of an eighth continent. Zealandia was originally part of the ancient supercontinent Gondwana, which formed 55 million years ago. Scientists believe that this continent began to sink beneath the water about 105 million years ago. However, scientists are still exploring the reasons for this. So, to sum it up, Zealandia, the eighth continent, was first sought out in 1642 and officially discovered in 2017. It was originally part of the ancient supercontinent Gondwana and began to sink about 105 million years ago. Despite most of it being underwater, it's a fascinating addition to our knowledge of the Earth's geography. The exploration of Zealandia is still ongoing, promising more revelations in the future. The discovery of Zealandia is a reminder that there is still so much about our own planet that remains to be discovered.